It's not difficult to work on a Wayne Dalton 9100 model garage door, but I recently encountered one where I almost made the huge mistake of simply trying to close it. And in this video, I'm going to show you why I almost made that mistake. Let's party. Okay, so we have a Wayne Dalton 9100 model door. It's in really bad condition. The door hinges have come off. Looks like we're on a Torquemaster plus spring system. Yeah, I don't even know if the springs are right. This is probably because the springs are broken. So this is the most hated garage door in the world. Probably for good reason in this case, because the way that the door is broken here, see all that. The hinge is just in there. So clearly we have damage there, damage there. Not much we can do to salvage. I mean, you can replace these two sections, but two new Wayne Dalton sections with two old Wayne Dalton sections makes no sense to me. They just need a new door, and that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna quote them a new door system. All right, so I was able to get this hinge back in here, but that is not salvageable. Needs a new weather seal. Got a little spider right there. Hinge broken here. So yeah, all of this screams new door. Same thing there. Our hinge. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take some measurements. I'm going to make sure that our door is safe and closed. We'll definitely get them a new opener. So the opening is 1510. Yeah, 1510 and a half. Now we measure the actual door. 16. Measure the door height. 7. So I've unplugged the opener. I've made sure that that hinge is back in, and we're just gonna make sure that the door can close properly. Woo! Yeah, gnarly. All right, so I'm gonna get out of here so that way we're no longer working on this door. Yeah, a lot of wonkiness around here. All right, well, c'est la vie. Yeah, it's really a safety concern. You can see how it's dipping in there, the door part. Same here. And all of these doors are pretty much 9100. I have a customer, actually I have two customers right down here. 9100, maybe not that one right there. Yeah, see those squares are different. And this is definitely a 9100. This is definitely a Wayne Dalton door because you can tell how these squares, they are signature to the Wayne Dalton brand. Garage door accidents or issues like the one in this video happen on a daily basis. One of the reasons why they happen so often is because of the photo safety eyes or the safety reversing sensors. These OEM sensors are fundamentally flawed. Normal garage door sensors are installed only 6 inches above the floor on the garage door tracks. At that placement, they can't defend against open trunks, protruding bumpers, or high trailer hitches. That's why we recommend Infinity Shield. Infinity Shield is the next level garage door safety reversing sensor. Their sensor covers the entire spectrum of the garage door opening. It's literally an infinite shield of protection that can detect any obstruction. Infinity Shield can provide you protection from your garage door damaging your car. The best part, it can be installed in minutes. The setup is easy for pros and even DIYers. Thus, if you're ready to upgrade your garage door safety sensor needs, then visit the link below, and a big thanks to Infinity Shield for sponsoring this video. So if you captured the idea, basically this 9100 model garage door had a roller and hinge that was outside the door, and this was making it very difficult for it to close. Now clearly in the video, I'm trying to show you how you can maneuver that hinge and that roller inside, but that's not easy to do if you don't have the necessary knowledge nor tools on how to do it.
Now, keeping in mind that this particular garage door had a lot of damage, there was no way to salvage it. In fact, we had to replace this specific garage door. And we didn't go with a 9100 model garage door because the customer was pretty much upset and they never wanted to deal with that Wayne Dalton model, of course, and that Wayne Dalton brand. But nevertheless, what we want to highlight here is that if you're having trouble closing your Wayne Dalton garage door, check your rollers, check your hinges, check your cables, check everything about the garage door system before trying to do this. Because in essence, you could be creating a bigger problem, a bigger mistake in doing so. Now for this customer, we ended up installing a polyback or polystyrene garage door that was much thicker and much sturdier for this property. So that thickness and that quality difference is going to be a difference in price. In fact, to help out this community, please let us know, have you replaced your 9100 model garage door with a similar door or a non-insulated door, or did you go with a thicker insulated door? By extension, we also want to hear from you dealer installers. What's the door that you recommend as an upgrade from the 9100 model door? Or do you go with a non-insulated door? At any rate, chime down below because we would love to hear your feedback. Of course, on this channel, we have a number of videos that talk about the Wayne Dalton 9100 model garage door. So check out one of those videos right here. As always, we want to thank y'all for partying with us. Y'all stay safe.